back with another video. I thought I'd touch up on some more Jobcorps shits and shit. I had posted a video from before, but it wound up not uploading the right way, so we're gonna make sure that shit don't happen this time. Hopefully my screen is showing for everybody and shit. Hope everybody having a good week. I know I am. It's been up and down, you know what I'm saying, work-wise and shit, so we good though. Trying to get back to a consistent schedule. But thought I'd talk about some hustles and how to make some bread inside Jobcorps and shit like that, bro. There's mad different ways to make money, bro. Everybody was making money inside Jobcorps. For the most part, not everybody, I ain't gonna sit here and say everybody was making money, but for the most part, you had people making money and making ends meet, even though we had extra little allowances that you could get through Jobcorps, like on a little card and shit like that. So for the most part, like we had somewhat of a little motion and shit like that. A lot of necessities that people don't know is snacks and shit like that, and things that people can't really get on the normal, or it's like hard to attain necessarily, these things that you want to bring to the table. So, you know what I'm saying, to have people buy and shit. So things of that nature, bro. Soda, not necessarily this size, bro. If you could get shit like this size, if you want. But like, if you get a Dr. Pepper or any type of soda or whatever, on a small can, like around this size, you selling sodas and shit, or energy drinks or whatever. Shit that people probably can't get, but would, shit that people probably can't get, but want or whatever, you can sell shit like that. Chips. A lot of motherfuckers had like snacks and shit like that. So a lot of times we go to each other for certain snacks. Like, so I might buy Hershey cookies, I might buy Doritos, I might buy donuts. He might buy soda, he might buy candy and something else, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna have to go to him to get extra stuff or whatever. I'm gonna make a trade with him, or I just go buy some shit from him for however much he trying to sell that shit for. So that's how, you know what I'm saying, a couple of things like that. You have girls in there doing hair and shit like that and making decent money doing that shit. So I had hair, I had dreadlocks. I mean, I still do, but you know what I'm saying, you want people to get your, you want to go to somebody to get your hair done, you basically like hit up shorty, be like, yo, let me pay you to do my hair, such and such, and she'll set some shit up. It might be like $30, $40, some low, probably even cheaper than that, but it's an exchange, an equal exchange. She know how to do something, you give her something, you know what I'm saying? So that's basically how it was, you know what I'm saying, the movement was. Let me do something real quick. Hold on 1 second, man. Nigga starving. I ain't gonna lie. You not getting none, bro. So we back. So, like I said, it's all about an exchange, bro. It's all about what the next person is willing to, you know what I'm saying, like sell or whatever. So, you got even motherfuckers selling weed and shit like that. Weed, like I said, little shit that people need, you know what I'm saying, like, I ain't gonna lie, like, cigarettes, you got people that smoke cigarettes and shit like that. So if you was able to like get a carton in, but obviously when you sneak them like I always talk about this shit in all my videos and shit, but if you sneaking cigarette cartons, you know the little metal part that come inside like the Newports and shit like that. You gotta take that out. Take the little metal out, the aluminum foil, whatever, and then put it inside the shit. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, it don't catch the wand and shit like that when you get warmed up. But cigarettes is big in the South, so you got motherfuckers that wanna get a cigarette and you sell one cigarette for $1. You know what I'm saying? So, make money. I don't smoke cigarettes, so I don't really know exactly how much come in a pack. I'm guessing it's 24 if you get a 24 pack. But if you get a 24 pack, you sell one cigarette each for $1 and shit. You making $24, depending on how much you pay for the cigarettes. I don't know. I think cigarettes might be $11 or $12. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But you paying that, you making double profit damn near. Or you might be paying $15 for cigarettes. I don't know how much cigarettes is. You know what I'm saying? But if you selling that, you making something back off of that shit. It can't be $24 for no damn cigarettes. But yeah. You sell $1 each cigarette, $1.50. You know what I'm saying? You making bread, bro. You making bread, bro. You gotta think about it. A lot of people don't have easy access to certain shit, you know what I'm saying, or whatever, so that one, or, you know what I'm saying, or whatever, that cigarette is gonna hit for the person that really want the shit, or when you're in a situation that you might, you know what I'm saying, you might need the shit or whatever, so, yeah. One of my favorite hustles and shit, I ain't never sold cigarettes. I sold weed and shit like that, but that wasn't really too much in Jobcorps. That was more from like a personal thing. Personal use. I don't even got a movie, but selling papers and shit like that. If you sell like the little, like if you got raw papers, elements, shit of that nature, or like cigarillos and shit like that, or backwood paper. I ain't gonna lie, you got backwoods and shit like that. If you ever get backwoods, and better sell each wood for like $3-4, no bullshit. But niggas ain't had no backwoods. But if you get like Swisher Swedes, blunts, you know what I'm saying, papers especially, you know what I'm saying, you could sell papers and shit like that, like 50 cents a paper or some shit like that. And niggas is coming around and, you know what I'm saying, whether they trying to roll tobacco, they trying to roll weed, whatever, they coming around, they like, yo, let me come through, let me get that. You know what I'm saying? Or they need a Rillo. You know what I'm saying? The Rillo might cost a whole $1 for the whole one. You say, fuck it. I'm out to sell each Rillo for $1, $1.50. Make my money back. You know what I'm saying? They can put their little weed in and have, you know what I'm saying, smoke session. They most likely will have niggas put in on a blunt and make their little money back or whatever if they want to do some shit like that, or people, you know what I'm saying, like niggas had a little, you know what I'm saying, shit situation going on, so you can sell papers or you can sell like blunts or whatever, so the Rillos or whatever, you can sell those for like $1.50 or $1, however you want to go about that shit. But yeah, bro, like you got people cutting hair, like if you want to get your hair cut, you know what I'm saying, you got people that know how to do a little something with the razor and shit like that, so you might say, fuck it, I'll pay $5, $10 for, you know what I'm saying, to get a haircut, niggas line you up, that's another hustle. You know what I'm saying? You got niggas that sell games and shit. He might get a game from somebody and shit that say, you know what I'm saying, like, oh damn, you don't want that, I'll buy that, this and that. Then he'll take that to somebody else. So you got that, y'all into some shit like that. Or consoles and shit like that, which that's a little bit more extra and shit like that. I really wouldn't recommend heavy transactions like that, but you know what I'm saying, you get the point, bro, you could do shit like that. But mainly like services like hair, you know what I'm saying, cutting your hair, doing shit like that. Motherfuckers should, you know what I'm saying, y'all can get creative with this shit, like, bro. If y'all really wanted to, bro, like, you know what I'm saying, like, on some no bullshit shit. Niggas ain't got the bread, but you could charge the campus, you know what I'm saying, niggas around the campus. If you the best fittest nigga on the campus, right, she be having niggas say, fuck it, like, let me come to this nigga, like, and get right, like, I'm trying to get in shape, I'm trying to, like, this nigga know what he talking about, he the biggest nigga on the camp, strongest nigga, and he offering, you know what I'm saying, like, little dollar or $2 sessions or $5 sessions, you know what I'm saying, for the, however you gonna charge this shit, break the money down or whatever, he charging sessions to they work out and do, like, he put niggas on, so, like, yeah, why not, you know what I'm saying, and the shit actually working for you and shit, and it's equal, you know what I'm saying, he benefiting off that shit because his information and skill and shit, and you benefiting off that shit because you getting the results that you want, and vice versa, you know what I'm saying, so, it's mad different ways, though, Some, I ain't gonna lie, you got some people shit that had little jobs on the campus doing whatever they was doing. I did this little job and shit, like I'm driving and shit. But like, you know what I'm saying, that they had their little roles and shit doing whatever they was doing. But I'm not too sure, like, if motherfuckers is getting paid. I know in logistics, I don't know. I think some people's getting paid in logistics due to like working in the shit because of more business oriented and shit. And you have people organizing clothes, distributing clothes to the students, staff, or whatever, handling shipment and all that shit. So I don't know if they was getting paid or what, but that's probably an option too. Ain't gonna lie, we had a little snitch on the campus too. This nigga wanna snitch on niggas, and that nigga was getting paid for that shit. Ain't gonna lie. If you ever see this shit, my nigga, you know what I'm talking about. But I thought you was solid, my boy. I ain't gonna lie, I would've never saw that shit. You know what I'm saying? But you know who I'm talking about. Anybody that went there, you know what I'm saying? But that's enough for this video. I ain't even try to say too much. I do wanna get to my food, my family, and my bed eventually. So, little touch back on the hustles and stuff. Anybody could do it, anybody can make it, anybody could, you know what I'm saying, start, you know what I'm saying, start it. But if you're not the type of person to get up and push that shit on and go for that shit and go hard and put yourself on the forefront and be like, yo, nah, like, I'm really that, you know what I'm saying, I'm that nigga, I'm that guy, you know what I'm saying, like, I know what I'm talking about. All my shit authentic, you know what I'm saying? All the shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta sell yourself, bro. If you can't sell yourself, bro, then you ain't gonna make it nowhere, bro. This way, whatever you wanna do, bro, you gotta sell yourself before you can sell a product. How you gonna sell a product when you can't even sell yourself? You know what I'm saying? I really need motherfuckers to understand that shit, bro. Whether this is YouTube shit, working out, nigga, a business you trying to start, nigga, gaming, whether anything that you trying to do, like, you know what I'm saying, where it's like, all right, well, nigga trying to go what? You know what I'm saying, how I get there? Well, you gotta start working, outworking all the niggas around you and then some. You know what I'm saying? Put yourself in a category. It's no competition, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what y'all niggas trying to do, but I'm trying to get better every day. You know what I'm saying? If you're not trying to do that, you need to stay in your lane. You know what I'm saying? I'm worried about me. You know what I'm saying? With that type of attitude, bro, you gonna go up. Like, it's no point. There's no reason for you not to grow, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, that being said, bro, hope some of these hustles was able to influence somebody to maybe do something productive and, you know what I'm saying, and have some type of motion in that shit. Y'all might have some other ideas and stuff like that, or jobs or hustles that motherfuckers could have inside Jobcorps or whatever, the benefit. Y'all drop them shits down below and let me know shit. I don't know everything. I kind of was freestyling off the head with this shit, so yeah. Y'all subscribe to my channel, like my video, share it, follow my social medias, ask me questions, and you know what I'm saying. Stay healthy, man. But I'm gonna get up out of here, man. I love you.